into the game, especially down this right-hand side, and now they've adopted a back five themselves, Millwall, but the fans are getting really restless.
Get in touch because I will be reading the last couple out very, very, very shortly on 03459 44.
Okay, between these two sides, a lot of tired bodies out there. Exhausting rugby, played at the highest level. Let's head to the Scottish Premiership. Celtic, Motherwell and Gallysig. Yes, the champions are labelled Celtic.
Sorry, Mark's Enright, anaesthetics. I'm just saying that ascertaining a definitive timestamp on a retrospective note shouldn't be taken as a point of record.
Okay. Well, fetal monitoring wasn't started until 2 hours into patient MS admission. Once the midwife noticed that the fetus was distressed, she delayed escalating it appropriately. And when she did, the doctor that she reported it to, me, took too long to get there.
And why is that?
None of the obstetric team were available and I was assisting.